Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve question number 37 of JEE Advanced Physics Paper 2 2014. So let us start and solve question number 37. Students, let us start with that number 37 which says 4 charges Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4 of same magnitude are fixed along the axis x-axis. So this is x-axis, Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4 are fixed along this axis at positions minus 2a, plus 2a, minus 2a, a minus a and 2a, plus and 2a. So these are the positions where the charges Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4 are fixed. A positive charge Q is placed on positive y-axis. This is positive y-axis. This distance is b because this 0, b is greater than 0. 4 options of the signs of these charges are given in list 1. This is list 1. The signs of charges are all positive. These two are positive, these are two are negative, these two are positive, these two are negative, and so on. The direction of the forces on the charge Q is given in the list 2. So if these are the charges and which direction the force will act, net force obviously, that is given. Match list 1 with the list 2. We have to match it. When all charges are positive, which one is the direction of the net force, and when this is the condition, which direction the net force will act, then we have to match it. So for that we'll take all the situations one by one and see one is in case of P which matching with which one. So first let me draw a diagram. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. The charges are A and 2A. One is this position is A and this position is 2A, and the charges here is minus A and minus 2A. All charges are positive. So this is Q1, this is Q2, this is Q3 and this is Q4. All are positive. And this point a charge Q is placed. Q is placed here, and that is positive. This distance is B. This distance is B. Now it says that all charges are positive. Then what will happen? If all charges are positive, this will repel this in this direction. This is force 1, say. It will repel. We have to find the direction of forces. Due to charge 1, the force will be in this direction. Due to charge 2, the force will be in this direction. This charge is at nearby place because charge, we know that by Coulomb's law, if there are two charges, Q1 and Q2, distance is suppose R, then force is constant, product of charges divided by distance square. So the magnitude, same magnitude charges are there, so magnitude remaining same, I will consider each of charge Q here. Then this is a constant, F is inversely proportional to square of the distance. The charges having less separation. Now the smaller distance, the smaller the distance between the charges, the greater is the force. If I see This distance is more and this distance is less. So here the F2 is greater than F1, there is no doubt about that. Similarly, for this side, this is the force which is bigger in magnitude, I would write. This is greater, this is smaller. So in terms of that also I should represent, so that you will have an idea. This F3 is greater than this F1 obviously, and this is Q4. Will be in this direction, F4. Now this is smaller in size. This force is smaller and equivalent to this force, so I'll make rather this length and that length equal, this length and that length equal. So you can see that all the forces are in this direction. If I take the component of this force, one will be this direction, another will be this direction. Similarly, this force, one will be this direction, another will be this direction. The horizontal component of this and that will cancel out. The horizontal component of F1 the horizontal component of F1 and F1 and F4 equal and cancels out opposite directions. Similarly, F2 and F3 will cancel out. Only the vertical components will be there, so the net force will be in this direction only. This is the net force in this direction. So that means for this situation P, when all charges are positive and of same magnitude, the net force will be in this direction, that is y direction, positive y direction. So this is the answer. That means for P we have got 3. P and 3 will match. Now I'll go to Q1, this Q. So let us solve for Q option. Q1, Q2 are positive. Q1, Q2 are positive and these two are negative. So again I have to draw the diagram. This is my y-axis. Q1, Q2 are positive, so this is plus Q, this is minus Q, minus Q. This distance is, you must remember, that is A and 2A, and the point is over here, Q point. So in this situation, this force will be, obviously it is a 1, 2, 3 and 4 position. So this force will be smaller and in this direction. This force will be larger and will be in this direction. This force F1, F2, F3 and 4 this force will be equal in magnitude that of this, and therefore these two will be equal, so it will be having the same length as this F3, and similarly this and that will be in this direction, smaller forces. This is F4. Sorry, one mistake is there, because they are negative sign, it will be in downward direction. So this will be in this direction, this is not there. F4 will be in this direction. Similarly, this will be in this direction. This is not there. So because this negative charge will attract this positive Q, so all these forces you can see are in this side. If you take the components, this will have this component and that component. Each forces will have component like that. This is the F1. Similarly for F2, in that direction, that direction. There's a vertical component will cancel out. This vertical component of F3 will cancel out with F1, and this one is our F3 will cancel out with the F2. Here the vertical component will cancel out. Which one? F2 will cancel with F3, and F1 will cancel with F4. So they will cancel. What is left is their horizontal component. So only horizontal component will add up. All these forces will add their horizontal component in this direction. So in this direction, that is a positive x axis. So net force will be in positive x direction. If you see the option, positive x is 1. So this one is the answer for Q. So Q is 1. Q1 is 1 answer. Similarly, we will move to the option number R. In R, what is the situation? Let us see. In R, again we have the charges placed 1, 2, 3, 4. This is Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, all having same magnitude at this point is Q. Here, our situation is that Q1, Q4 are positive. Q1 and Q4, these are positive. And Q2, Q3 are negative. So these are positive. And this is taken as negative. Then what will happen? Now, again, I will say that this is at a distance greater than that. It will have smaller force. Suppose F1. This will have larger force. But this being negative, it will attract the charge. So force on this will be towards this side. So it will be something like that, and it will be greater in magnitude. F2. Q3 and Q1 are equidistant. So here, a negative, again it will attract like that. This is F3. And for Q4 being positive, it will repel. It will be like that, equal to this value in terms of that. This is smaller in magnitude. These are greater in magnitude, and these are smaller in magnitude. This is smaller in magnitude. This one is smaller in magnitude, equal to that. So this and that will balance in terms of magnitude. So these two forces, their this one and this one, their horizontal component will cancel out and vertical component add. This one and this one, their horizontal component will cancel out and vertical component will add up. But because this is having greater magnitude than this, so in this case there will be some, due to F1 and F2, F1 and this is F4, due to F1 and F4, the horizontal component will be up but smaller in magnitude. This one will be larger magnitude, that is F2 plus F3. The vertical component will more. So for this implies net will be downward. This is F net. Situation is downward. So finally, what we are getting here, that the horizontal components, for as far as horizontal component is concerned, the F1 will cancel F4, F3, F2 will cancel F3. They will cancel. And about the vertical component, as I have shown here, that is net left downward. So this direction is negative y. This direction is negative y direction. So negative y is the answer. So for R, it should be 4. For R, it should be 4. So for R, it is 4. Now, if I go to P3, Q1, R4, so I don't have to solve for the last one because already I have got P3, Q1 and R4. And S I have not solved, but then if you see it, P3, Q1, R4 is only this one is matching and no one is matching. Therefore, option 1 is correct. But still we'll find that S is matching with 2, that also we'll see in the question. Otherwise in exam you can write this is S2 without solving, but we'll solve that. This is my y direction. There are 2 charges placed here, Q3 and Q4. Here it is Q2 and here it is Q1 at a distance A to A to A. This is the point where Q is placed. Option S says that Q1, Q3 positive, Q1, Q3 positive. So this is positive and this is positive, this is negative and this is negative. Okay, then which direction force will act? This Q will repel and is smaller in size, F1. This will attract and smaller in size, equidistance, same magnitude. So this is the case for F4. Similarly, because negative attraction, this is Q3, this will repel, being positive and greater in value. So this is F3. This one will also attract and larger in length because this is smaller distance. This is F2. Now in this situation, the vertical component of this and that will cancel out, and vertical component of this and that will cancel out. So for as far as vertical component is concerned, F1 will cancel F4 and F3 will cancel F2. They will cancel. As far as horizontal component is concerned, that will determine the direction of net force. The horizontal component, this one is right this side, this one is right this side. So towards the right side it is because of F1 and F4. Towards left side it is larger in magnitude, so it is F3 and F2. But because it is larger, so net will be towards this side. So that means this side is a negative X. So therefore option S should be negative X. If I see the option, then I can say that for S, here is negative X. So therefore S is 2. S is 2 is here. This is already we have done, and that is the answer to this question. Okay, thank you.